What's up guys, my name's Alex and today I'll be going over all the available Shopify plans and which one is right for you. So a lot of beginners actually DM me on Instagram asking which plan to choose and why. So today I'll be going over that so you guys can jump in right away and start making sales. So you opened your new store, you sourced your products, and you bought your domain. You did everything you need to do on the back end, but now you're facing a screen that says you need to choose a plan. Might be a little bit confusing at first, but we've all been there. So today I'll be discussing the different plans, the transaction rates, the staff accounts, the reports, where you are as far as your dropshipping career, what information you need available to you, and so much more. So let's dive into my computer and take a look at that screen, and I'll show you guys where to go from there. Okay, so this is the screen that you're gonna see on Shopify when you actually have to go choose a plan. And right here, it just gives you a little example of what each plan is for and why you should choose it. So you should just go off of that already. But let me just start off by saying this. If you're not selling anything right now and you're just getting started on Shopify, choose the basic Shopify plan. That's the only one that makes sense for you to choose in this very moment. Okay, so we'll start off by comparing the different price points of each plan. So the basic Shopify plan starts off at $29 a month, Shopify plan $79 a month, and advanced Shopify $299 a month. So these are going to be the three Shopify plans that are available to you right now. There are actually some hidden plans that are not currently available to you. Alright, going over here to staff accounts, you can see there's 2, 5, and 15. So if you're actually opening up a brand new Shopify store, a lot of people go into this in the more of a partnership aspect. So different staff accounts if you're actually opening up a dropshipping store with somebody else or a team, which I've done in the past. So you guys can all log on there and get your work done, but you don't necessarily need to do that in your beginning stages. So 5 staff accounts when you're actually starting to get more sales, and then 15 there for positions such as customer service, fulfilling your orders for you, and anything else you can do on the back end of your store as you begin to scale. So starting off right now, you really just want to choose the basic Shopify plan, as I really don't see a need for more than 2 staff accounts unless you're building a team. Another important feature is the reports section. So there's different sales reports available to you with each plan, and they just give you overall analytics of how your store is doing, and it just gives you data that you can use to go and scale from there. Now the biggest point in my opinion is right here. So Shopify payments is what you will be using when you start off on your store. It is a payment provider on Shopify. A lot of times people will get banned from Shopify payments, so you really do have to watch it. So with the basic Shopify plan, it is 2.9% plus 30 cents on your transaction. So for each sale, you are paying 2.9% on that transaction plus 30 cents. With online credit cards, you don't have to worry about in person right now, because if you're drop shipping, that just does not make sense. Lowers slightly down to 2.6% with the next plan plus the 30 cents still. So when you begin to actually start scaling your store and you're comfortable with that, you might want to upgrade the plan, because that 0.3% is actually pretty critical. And then moving on to 2.4% plus the 30 cents as well. And that's just where you want to be when your brand is actually starting to see a great deal of success. So for now, you're gonna want to choose the basic Shopify plan when you're just getting started. Although if you are already selling inventory, then you might want to choose the $79 a month Shopify plan, which is where I usually start with some of my stores when I begin testing. But for now, choose the $29 a month, and then when you actually start seeing sales roll in and it makes sense for you to upgrade, then go ahead with the $79 a month plan. So by this point, I hope you guys know which plan to choose and you are ready to begin testing and scaling your new Shopify store. If you got any value out of this video, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe, as there's more to come. Go out and take action with what you learned in this video, and I wish you guys the best of luck. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.